Hi, good evening. This is my passion. I want to show you something that is about to change the whole way that events are run in the whole of the Middle East. From Dryspace in the United Kingdom, we're an innovative company. We've been running for 12 years and we've come here to shake up the way that things are done. Come and take a look at this and let me tell you something about what you're about to see. This is firstly not a tent. This is nothing like a tent. This is a building. This is a temporary structure. This is innovation, and this is the future of Dubai. We'll walk inside and you will see something that will just amaze you. First of all, as we walk in through the door, we walk into what could easily be considered to be a green room. It is green, but it could be a green room anyway. It could be used at festivals, it can be used if you're on a fashion shoot, it can be used for a variety of different purposes. This is a 10-meter dome. This is the first of our baby structures. This is one of the little domes, but look at it and look at the way that it's constructed. It's a beautiful piece of architectural design. It reflects the designs from Gaudi, even going back as far as Da Vinci. It's classic in its way, and it's a beautiful thing. We use a sealed air beam system that creates an inner framework. This framework holds the whole thing up in the event that we have power out. This makes Dryspace the most unique inflatable structures in the world. You'll notice it is the same over the doors so that all the escape routes are kept clear. We have proper doors, fire escape doors, double glazed doors, security. Dryspace is not just a product, it is a solution. It's an integrated solution, it's a modular solution. You'll notice that we've got air-filled tunneling systems that join a smaller 10-meter dome into this incredible cathedral-esque building. We're now standing in a space that is 50 meters by 25 meters. Taking a look at this space in its own right, this is suitable for dining for 650 people, 850 people in a party, fashion shows, concerts, music festivals. It's a modular system and it's as big as your imagination. Around the sides of this, there are dedicated ports for air conditioning. This is 1,000 square meters of space covered in just a matter of 4.5 hours. Not 4 days to offload it, take it off a truck, build it, use heavy lifting gear, make a lot of noise, bang things into the ground. The whole of this is held up by the most common thing on the planet, just air. There's no superstructure, there's no metal, there's no large blocks of concrete, there's no rigging, there's nothing. It's just air that's holding up this building. Everything that you're going to see within this video was placed here in 16 hours with just 20 crew and one small forklift. This we are now walking into is another section, again joined together using our incredibly unique tunneling system. This is one of our 14-meter domes. It's an extremely versatile space. It can work on its own for 50 people for dining. This is a very popular product used for a lot of automotive launches because we produce something that reflects their brand values. We design all of these products ourselves. Not only is Dryspace about structures, we're also about providing other solutions. Just take a look at some of the products that we have for indoor use. This is a beautiful piece. This is a curved wall. It makes a great backdrop for photography, but it also works well in events and exhibitions. This takes an enormous amount of time to put up. This is really hard work. This is one man, 10 minutes, and the curved wall appears. This is probably one of the most incredible things that we produce as well. This is known as an H-wall. It has its own freestanding columns on the side, and you end up with a structure like this that looks as if it's been carved out of pure ice. We use this as partitioning, we use it for backdrops. They can even be incorporated into a press display. This is a scalable product. We can build these in a variety of different sizes. We can build these in a variety of different lengths. Again, it can be a tailored solution for whatever are our clients' requirements. Let's take a look at the Luna. This is one of the smaller of our range. Take a quick look at some of the features inside of this, because this is probably a great way to explain how Dryspace innovates within the structure itself. It's almost like a seashell. The reason why it's created like this is it provides strength. It provides the structure that holds itself together with just air. If you consider your own event and you need a pop-up space. You need somewhere that you're either going to provide service, you want a lounge, you want something with some soft furnishings, coffee table, some other seating, or you just want somewhere that's a display area within a hotel. One of the unique features about this is that there is a hidden door at the back. So if you want to put this on the ground somewhere and you want to put a counter in front of it and you want to provide this as a service center, you can still resupply using the doorway at the back. This just pops. It's out of a bag. A bag? Yes, this fits actually into a sports bag. One person can put this up in less than 6 minutes. So this is it. This is Dryspace. Innovation in Dubai. All of this in 16 hours, believe.